And here I am again. We are going to attempt this omelet deal one more time. Got a little bit of butter in there. Heated the pan up. It's not too super hot. A little under medium. Let's see how we can do today. I was told you got to shimmy it around a little bit. So I'm shimmying. Got to scramble it. Alright, hope that's enough. For those of you new to the channel, I've had a bit of an issue making omelets. I can't do it without busting them all up. So, we're just going to sit here and see if we can do it this time. Everybody's giving me advice. I still can't do it. And we're just going to make a regular cheese omelet. I ain't got anything else to put in there. No onions, nothing. So let's just sit back. Let me try to get this camera right. Alright, I think I got the camera a little better focus there. Let's see. You got the juice. That's the problem I've been having, that juice. So I guess you're supposed to kind of let it. This thing's too darn, it ain't hot enough. Okay. And I gotta say, cooking an omelet's pretty boring. Side here and see if I can get that juice up in there somehow. Nah, it ain't ready to lift yet. Yeah. Alright, kind of let that flow to the side. Get in there. Will he do it? Big spatula, but I think it's too big for that pan. Let me get a smaller one. Oh, the struggles, the struggles. Flow down in there, juice. Flow down in there. Get on in there. Alright, I'm gonna put some. We got about all that juice scraped off. Egg juice. In there. Look at that. We may be making progress. It's all wrinkly. That's okay as long as I can get it in one piece. I'm gonna put a couple slices of American cheese in there. And this is where Rooster will run in because he hears the cheese packet. Put a little provolone in my food. Well, I knew you'd be here. Put some on your plate. You didn't get very much because you can't poop when you eat too much cheese. Alright, it's looking omelette-y. Let's see what we got. Still got a little bit of juice in there, but it's not looking good, folks. Look at there. Look at that. That's perfection. We just get her to cook inside. Let's see if we can close that dude up a little bit. This is going to be its own video because it's that big of a deal, man. If I succeed. Oh, that was beautiful. I was going to eat this on a paper plate. Nah, I'm gonna wash a plate now. That deserves a real plate. Look at that dude. That's perfect. That's an omelet right there. 3-egg omelet. And I lied, I'm gonna use a paper plate. She's done. Look at that. Look at that. You've seen it here for the first time, folks. I made my first perfect omelet. Put a little salt and pepper on there and ate it. I'm gonna eat it up. Alright. Happy trails.